Hi guys, today I'm making the Shae Paneer with green peas. I'm going to show you the ingredient. I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoon of Shahi Paneer masala. I have some green chilies, 2 teaspoon of garlic, 2 teaspoon of ginger, 3 tablespoon of tomato sauce, 1 finely ground onion, and I have a 1 cup of heavy cream, some cubes of paneer that I cut in the square pieces. I have a 1 cup of green peas. I have a 3 roasted tomato. I'm just going to start the masala for the Shahi paneer. So I just put this pan and now I had to put the heat on the high. I'm just adding some oil. Let the oil heat up. My oil is heat up. I'm putting the garlic. Let it brown a little bit. I'm adding the ginger. I add the onion. I have to brown this one onion like dark brown. Let's see how many minutes it takes. It has been only 2 minutes. I'm going to add little bit water. I just cover for 2 minutes. It was already 2 minutes, so I'm going to check my onion. I don't want my onion get burned. I'm just doing the brown only. I'm just add little bit more water. It was releasing the oil, but when it get brown, then I put the ingredient. I just put my heat on the medium. It is all together. It takes me 9 minutes to make this onion brown. I'm going to add the salt, turmeric powder, chili powder, garam masala, cumin powder, coriander powder, Shahi paneer masala. I'm going to add a little bit water to mix up. Little bit more water. Add the tomato sauce. I'm going to peel the roasted tomato for grind. Green chili in the tomato. I'm going to add the tomato. Little bit more water. I'm going to cover this 2 minutes. I'm taking out the cover. Now I'm going to add the heavy cream. I'm going to add half cup of water. Let it cook for 5-7 minutes. I'm going to cover. While I'm making this gravy, so I'm going to fry little bit cheese. I put the oil on the high heat, so I'm going to fry this cheese. I'm going to change the side with the fork a little bit. I don't want to do too much brown, so I'm taking out. I'm just put all the oil back, and this one little bit oil. I'm going to fry this piece. Because I'm doing fry because it gets prepared, it gets soft. Now my green peas is done. See, it is soft now. I'm going to take out this one pan. It has been 10 minutes. I'm going to add the peas and just going to add the paneer also. I'm going to leave this one 5 minutes more. I put the heat on the medium. My Shae paneer is ready. See, it's look like that now.